remember there was a phase where the cheat meal for me was Holtman's Donuts after a workout.
It's a very strange thing, eating before you go out to eat, but then I don't overeat, and I know what I'm eating at home. I know where it came from. I know I prepared it. It may be physical, it might be psychological, but it works. And I don't overeat or overdrink when I go out. The color, the texture, the consistency is extremely important to determining, are you digesting? What is your colon like?
Anytime I'm going out to do something like that, I actually eat a slice or two of the Uprising bread.
It's like, I'm eating good food, I'm not losing weight, I'm doing this, I've still got this. Yes, because that's not metabolic. It's not as simple as many people think. It doesn't come right away. The more that we have information about our own bodies, we have more control. We talk about gut bacteria. Well, they live on the fiber and they produce short-chain fatty acids, and that relines the small intestine. Margarine came about because of the World War I, we're sending supplies over to Europe. What happened to the butter? Went rancid. Am I the kind of person, once I have a goal, once I have a priority in life, I am hit goal. It'll still be uncomfortable, it'll take time, but it's manageable.
It was very hard to get the product to certain parts of the country, especially during the middle of the summer, without it molding. We had to invest a lot of money in our packaging in order to keep the product fresh.
This is almost like a healthy Pop-Tart. I recommend it to patients all the time. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great.